guys, so for anybody who is stuck at home and who also has little ones who are also at home with daycare being canceled with COVID-19, I have personally noticed that having to pick up my daughter over and over and over again, I've developed a bit of achiness and a bit of pain just in my thumb, kind of like my thumb on my thumb side of my wrist. And so there can be development of a bit of tendinitis there if you're repetitively picking stuff up when you're not used to doing so much of it in a day, or a lot of kind of childcare tasks when, especially when you've had to go back to it after maybe not so much of it if your child's been in daycare. So I started taping my wrists and I found that it to be quite helpful because it kind of gives your or it gives your tendon a little bit of a break. So what you can do is you can get some just normal white sports tape. Make sure it's the kind, it's not hockey tape, but it's stuff that's supposed to be on your wrist. You can pick it up at a pharmacy, and you can kind of break off maybe 6 inches at a time, and you want to have 4 strips. And so you get that going. And so what you do is first, and this is just like a super easy, kind of quick and dirty way of doing it. And so you just have one right along the crease of your wrist, like that. You want to make sure that you're just laying the tape over top. You're not pulling it because you don't want to cut off your circulation. And then you take one piece and kind of set it kind of at the base of your thumb, and you put it all the way around, and then you attach it to the cuff that you made for yourself. And then you do that one more time. You want to make sure that your wrist isn't like this when you do it. You want to almost kind of tilt your wrist a little bit more that way. And then you go all the way around back there. You want to try and minimize the wrinkles if you can, but it's not really a big, huge deal. And then you just follow it up with another cuff over top of it. I like to make sure that my loose ends are covered. And then I go around, making sure not to pull too hard. And there you go. You just want to make sure that if your hand changes color, or if it goes numb and tingly, then you've gone too tight. Take your tape off right away. But otherwise, you can leave it on for the day. You just want to make sure that you don't leave it on continuously. Okay.